Hi guys, welcome to Quarantine Craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami snowflake. Okay, so if you don't have square paper and you have just rectangular paper, so you can use this trick. Okay, so you do it in half like this. Okay, so see here that there's a little line. No, there's no line. So now you get this part under, not this one, but this one under, and go up till here. So when you feel it a bit under, you do it nice and precise. Fold it nice and precise. Okay, now we can reopen. So now we have to cut on the line. Okay. Cut. Okay. So now we have a square. So now we're going to fold on the line like this. And again. And again. Usually you have to fold at least once, but then you can go how many times you want. Okay, so now we're gonna have to cut a bit of forms in it, or anything you want, but never cut like this, here to the part that connects them, or else it'll just break up and you have pieces of paper on your floor, or on your table, or wherever you are. Okay, so now I'm gonna do, let's see, a little triangle here. Okay, if it doesn't come out when you cut it, you have to pull it a bit. Now here I can do a circle, a half circle, and here a square. No, it's more rectangular. And now this. Oops. Okay, when you're finished cutting, you open it all like this. And you can get whatever form. Any form is possible. And here is my origami snowflake. Here how it comes finally, our snowflake. And please give us a like, and if you're interested, tell to your friends. When we'll have enough views, we'll start a channel. We hope you like